Welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn about JavaScript callback functions with the help of examples. Without further ado, let's get going. What is a callback? In JavaScript, you can also pass a function as an argument to a function. This function that is passed as an argument inside of another function is called a callback function. Callback and promise are used to handle asynchronous operations. An asynchronous operation is an operation that is not executed immediately. It is executed after some time. For example, if you are making a request to the server to get data, then it will take some time to get a response from the server. Once the response is received, the callback function will be executed. Why do we need a callback? JavaScript is a single-threaded language. It means that only one operation can be executed at a time. If we have to execute multiple operations, then we have to wait for the previous operation to complete. This is called blocking. Blocking is not good in JavaScript. It will make our application slow and unresponsive. Let's take the previous example. If we are making a request to the server to get some data, if we block the thread, then the user will not be able to do anything until the response is received. To avoid such blocking, JavaScript provides callback functions. Callback functions are executed after the current operation is completed. So if we are making a request to the server, we will also pass a callback function. Once the response is received, the callback function will be executed. This way, the user will be able to do other things rather than waiting for the response. It's as simple as, you went to a restaurant and ordered a pizza, chef started making the pizza. While the chef is making the pizza, you can do other things like reading a book, talking to your friends, etc. Once the pizza is ready, the waiter will call you and give you the pizza. This is how callback functions work. Let's see how to use a callback function. I'll quickly write a function that will explain it. I wrote a simple addition function that takes two numbers and returns the sum of those two numbers in the callback. I also added setTimeout, which simulates the asynchronous behavior of the function. Then I'm calling the add function by passing two numbers and a callback. The callback will be executed once the add function is done executing. In the callback, I'm logging the result to the console. Import things to note here. When we pass a function as an argument, remember not to use parenthesis. Also, pass the error object to the callback. If an error occurs, an error object is passed to the callback. Otherwise, the error object is null. This is standard practice to pass the error object to the callback so that we can handle the error in the callback. This is also known as an error-first callback. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video.